Well, good morning from Dynodaze, and as you can see, a lovely bronze FN2. Now, this one is already slightly modified and has a Hondata ECU, and what our mandate this morning is to send that back to stock so that the Hondata ECU can be sold on. It's like a flash module that he can sell, and then use Ecutek software to get the absolute very best out of it. So that is the plan. So we'll go through the mods in a bit, but we'll get our Geno to strap it down. Let's get on with this morning's work.
Well, there we go.
Got no interior lights in this one, so we can't put the...
It's a bit dark, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know I can't see in low-level light, Richard.
Why does it look blurry there?
I think there's some form of shine.
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? Unless it's coming from the back. It's coming from the back, through the back window.
Maybe. I look like in Star Trek, you know, where Captain Kirk's just got the shadow across his eyes.
Yeah.
Anyway, bronze FN2. A few bits on it. It's got a HKS induction kit, and it's got a Miltech twin exit. Standard cat, standard manifold. We weren't expecting great things with this today, but it had been flashed with the Hondata previously by another tuner. And we have made around 13 wheel horsepower. So overall, with the features that we've added, like flat foot shifting and adjustable launch control and that bit of brake horsepower, I think it'll be a much better driving experience for him.
Yeah, I mean, like I say, this car was already tuned on Flash Pro. I don't know whether it's just, I mean, a lot of people say they've been tuned on Flash Pro, but the beauty with the Flash Pro is obviously you put it on, you can put a, say, a group N file on, you can put a file on, you can do whatever. So maybe it's just had that put in it, I don't know, you know, we never know really. I mean, obviously we could start downloading and looking, but if we're not dealing with that software, then we don't bother.
So what we did is we put it back to stock so we can sell.
Yeah, unpaired it basically, put it back to stock, or put the ECU back to stock, unpaired it so you can obviously sell the Flash Pro.
I reckon they're worth about 500 quid, aren't they?
Yeah, somewhere around there. And then obviously we've done, we've mapped on ECU tech.
So we've tuned today for 600 quid with the Ecutek license and the custom tuning. So for 100 quid, realistically for this gentleman, for 100 quid, he's got all of his features and an extra 13 wheel horsepower.
Yeah, I think that's all right.
Take my money.
Yeah, that's an all right process, ain't it? Yeah, like I say, not massive gains on it, unfortunately. But
I don't think we were expecting
we weren't expecting it because standard manifold, standard cat. We always know that that does not go well, and the exhaust doesn't really make any difference. And to be honest, it's the worst exhaust out of all of the exhausts.
There's a video if you want to check out Richard's reaction to one of these exhaust systems, then go have a look through the YouTube channel. You'll find a video entitled "Richard is not happy."
Yeah.
And the HKS induction kit.
Again, the HKS induction kit is not the best either. So, to be honest, it hasn't got the best mods, but we've made improvements, so we've done our job.
We certainly have, and I think it's going to drive a lot better than it did when it came in, so fingers crossed.
I think so.
Want to look at the graph?
Let's have a look at that graph.
Let's look at the graph.
Okay, so here is said graph, and as you can see, an improvement from the get-go. Here's our sort of 13 wheel horsepower range that we've gained here. Obviously, it's still revving out to 8.6 as it was on the previous tune, and the VTEC is in a very similar position. So we finish on 211, which is 182 at the wheels. That's another one in the bag, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for getting to the end of the video. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And yeah, code word for this one is bronze, because this is a bronze FN2. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Richard?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.